Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload video to Figma. If you've used Figma enough, you must have noticed that the free version does not allow you to upload videos. But yes, I think I just found a way around that now. So what you want to do is upload your video as GIF. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. If you have your video with you already, what you want to do is just convert your video to a GIF file. That's all you need. So guys, let me show you how to add the video. So what you want to do is you click on frame, then you choose your frame from here. So there are a couple of ways to do this. You can place images directly from here, or you could even create a frame around it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to select the frame, going to fill to the fill section, then I'm going to go to videos. So as you can see in the video, it's telling me that I can't upload video. Don't worry about that. So I'm going to come back here, go to image. So when I go to image, I'm going to click on the image here. So this is the video that I downloaded from Canva. I want you to notice something. If you can notice that the size is 32.7 MB. So I'm going to just import that in. So as you can see, this is the video now in Figma. So one thing I want you to notice is that the GIF file does not play. Like, it doesn't even bring out the option to play. That is one of the limitations you have using Canva, because when you download GIF with Canva, the size is always large. I'm guessing Figma has a tough time processing it. What I'm going to advise that you do is go to this website here, vid.io. So what you want to do is you choose the MP4 file that you downloaded from Canva. So as you can see, the size is just 1.8 MB compared to the 32.7 MB that GIF file is saving as. So you're going to click on it. So you just let it do its thing, you let it convert. So depending on what you want, you can decide to reduce the quality here, but I'm not going to do that. As you can see, the estimated file size is 607 KB to 1 MB, which is actually not bad. It's better than 30 MB. So I'm just going to click on download. I'm going to click on convert. It's done converting, so I'm going to click on download. So this is the file here. So let's run this again. So I'm going to choose file, choose image. So this is the image that I just converted now. On your editor screen here, the video won't load. It's just going to stay static like that. So what you want to do is you click on your frame, go to prototype. So guys, as you can see, the video now loads in form of a GIF file. So you can't really play with the length, but since I'm guessing if you're not using the full version, you're probably trying to create prototypes and projects and all that. So you can actually use this. So instead, for example, when you're creating your onboarding screen, you can actually make it more interactive. Instead of using the usual graphics and the usual pictures, you can use something like this to spice up your design. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you get to like and subscribe.